quarantine week 5. We are loving life. Today, I'm gonna show you what I like to do in my bed. What I like to do with my bed, what I like to do how to make a bed. Today, I will show you how to make a bed. Wow. Hey guys, WFord here from WFord Interiors. Today, I'm gonna do a little how-to video on making your bed. I've got a couple simple tips and tricks so that you can quickly put your bed back together in the morning, but also get you the softest sheets known to man, the easiest duvet cover I've ever found, and then how to use things around your house to actually decorate your bed and make it beautiful. Let's do this. Sheets. I'm gonna give you the softest sheets ever. I swear you'll never go back. They're by Comfy Co. You will love these. Whew. Okay, next up, duvet cover. This duvet is by Duvet. I had sworn off duvet covers. I give them to a lot of clients, but they're so difficult. This one has a zipper on both sides. You can practically fit your whole body in, and super easy how-to instructions. So I've already stuffed it, that's next. Okay, that's done. Now, normally if you just have a duvet cover, you have to iron it or spray it and get the wrinkles out. For me, I love a good coverlet. I also have a coverlet on top of my bed because this one likes to get on it, so it keeps your bed clean. That's next. Regular pillows next. Okay, so now it's time to start finding things around your house that maybe you wouldn't normally use on your bed. So these are actually, there's dog hair on them. Okay, I'll clean them off later. Anyways, these are floor pillows. As you can see, my dogs like to lay on them a lot. They're huge, but today I'm gonna use them as the start of my pillows on my bed. And chop. So as you can see, I have a throw pillow problem, but I kind of collected different ones from all around my house. And now I'm gonna mix and match some patterns and see what I can come up with. Not right. Whew, okay. After a bunch of combinations, I kind of love this one. What I'm really feeling is this pop of orange right here. It's bringing in, you can see, over there, I have a salt rock lamp, and also I have a terracotta planter, so I like that I'm bringing in that orange. Okay, so this is just a texture layer. It's really only about half of the bed, and it's the same color wave as the coverlet, but it's a different linen texture. So the textures are what makes it feel like a really comfy bed. So now I'm just gonna throw a bunch of different blankets from the house and see what happens. Too boring. Okay, well, from Nugget and I, this bed is done. And I hope you guys found this helpful. I'm gonna put a little link with all of the products that I have discovered over years. And if you don't need to buy anything, just go on a scavenger hunt around your house, grab some things that you can make a bed with, and change it up.